If Gimp is giving you an error when opening a directory, don't worry, this is usually a Windows permission issue or a corrupted Gimp profile, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is a really common issue on Windows 10 and Windows 11, especially with Gimp 2.10 and later. The good news is that in most cases, you do not need to be a tech expert to fix it. You just need to check a few settings, test a couple of paths, and if necessary, reset Gimp so it starts fresh again. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick software fixes like this. Let's start with the most likely cause first, Windows security blocking Gimp. A lot of times, Windows thinks a graphics app is trying to access protected folders like documents, desktop, or pictures, and it blocks that access. When that happens, Gimp may fail to open a folder or show a directory error. To check this, click the Start menu and type Windows Security, then open it. Inside Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, then scroll down and open Manage Ransomware Protection. Look for Controlled Folder Access. If it is turned on, that may be the reason Gimp is being blocked. Now click Allow an app through Controlled Folder Access. If Gimp is not already listed, click Add an allowed app, then browse to the Gimp executable. On most systems, it is located in C, Program Files .gimp2 bin. Select gimp 2.10.exe and allow it. This gives Gimp permission to access protected folders properly. Now, before moving on, try opening the directory again in Gimp. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem right away. If the issue is still there, the next step is to run Gimp as administrator. Right-click the Gimp shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If Gimp opens the folder correctly in administrator mode, that tells you the issue is related to your normal user permissions, not necessarily the app itself. That also helps confirm that Windows is limiting access under your standard account. If that does not solve it, we'll move on to the next very important fix, resetting the Gimp profile. Sometimes Gimp configuration files become corrupted, and when that happens, you may get strange directory errors or problems opening folders. The good news is that you can reset the profile without uninstalling Gimp first. First, close Gimp completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Now open File Explorer and go to this path, C, userswellwar_name appdata roaming Gimp 2.10. If you do not see appdata, make sure hidden items are enabled in File Explorer. Once you find the 2.10 folder, rename it to something like 2.10.old or 2.10.backup. Then, reopen Gimp. Gimp will automatically create a brand new fresh profile folder the next time it starts. This is one of the safest ways to clear out damaged settings that may be causing the directory problem. If Gimp now works normally, that means the issue was a bad profile or settings file and you can keep using the fresh setup. If it still fails, the next thing to check is the folder path itself. Some Windows paths can cause trouble for Gimp, especially if the folder name contains special characters like hash symbols, ampersands, or unusual non-Latin characters. Very long file paths can also cause issues in some cases, so if you are trying to open something from a folder with a complicated name, try moving that file to a simpler location first. For example, copy the file to your desktop or directly to Temp if you have that folder available, and then try opening it again from there. If it works from a simpler path, then the problem is likely the folder name or path length, not Gimp itself. Another thing to test is whether the file is on an external drive, USB stick, or network location. Sometimes Gimp has trouble opening files directly from removable drives or shared network folders because of drive permissions or connection rules. So copy the file from the USB drive or network folder to your desktop first, then open it from there. If that works, you've confirmed the issue is with the drive or location, not the image file. Now let's check antivirus interference. Some third-party antivirus programs can be overprotective and block Gimp from accessing folders or files correctly. This can happen with software like Avast, McAfee, or similar tools. If you want to test this safely, temporarily disable the third-party antivirus just long enough to see whether Gimp opens the directory normally. If it does, then you may need to add Gimp as an exception in your antivirus settings instead of leaving protection turned off. And finally, if none of those fixes work, the last step is a clean reinstall. Sometimes a broken file association or leftover registry entry can keep the problem going even after basic troubleshooting. First, uninstall Gimp from Windows settings. Then, manually delete any leftover Gimp folders, especially the roaming profile folder here. C. Loose users hosh _name app data roaming Gimp. After that, download the latest stable version directly from the official Gimp website and reinstall it. If you want, you can also try the portable version of Gimp, which can sometimes bypass local install problems and start cleanly. So to recap, first check Windows Security and Controlled folder access, then run Gimp as administrator, then reset the Gimp profile, then test folder paths and external drives, then check Antivirus, and finally do a clean reinstall if needed. In most cases, one of those fixes will solve the Gimp error opening directory issue quickly. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who is stuck on the same problem. And if you want more Gimp troubleshooting guides, Windows fixes, and easy software tutorials, I've got plenty more coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.